Hi guys, this is Rani and you are watching Viral Wars. Uh, Today I'll tell you how to make money online, and this is no refer and earn bullshit. This is real money, and I know that you have searched online many times and there are truckload of bullshits of how to make money and none of them worked. But be sure this method will work, and if you be patient and do as I tell, this method will work 100%. And further, no wasting your time, let's make some money.
Hello, so this is the website I was talking about at clickmedia.com. I have a link in the description. Please follow those links that will help this channel to grow, and go to sign up section and then join as publisher. Please join as publisher because we are publisher. Make sure you have filled up all those required fields, and most importantly give your phone number over here and select your country and fill up this form. After you fill up this form, you will redirect it to your account, and your account will look like this. Let me tell you what is actually AdClick Media is. AdClick Media is a ad agency. Here many marketers, mainly the big ones, come here and submit their ads, and we publishers uh, just promote their ads, and in return we earn some money. There are lots of sites in the internet like this ad agency, but none of them has email PPC. Email PPC means email pay per click. And this is what is hot, and this is what we are targeting here. Let me give you an example. Suppose I sent an email to someone, and the email contains a link, and if that person click on that link, I will earn some money. It is that simple. So this is like pay per click process. Okay, so this is email PPC. After you come to here, you will have to add your own list, means your subscriber list. Just fill up this from your list name. It can be anything. Then your list type. I will choose newsletter or prospect or co-registration. These three works very good, so choose any of them. Then what method did you choose? Newsletter. That's very cool. And what method did you acquire your list? Please say them. It is an opt-in list. That's it. Nothing other than opt-in list. And is your list always double opt-in? And how many subscribers you have? Tell them you have more than 10,000 subscribers or 15,000. Doesn't matter, because you will have million and trillion of subscribers in my next videos, so doesn't matter. And where you host this list, for those you are very new, choose GetResponse. I'll show you how to do it with GetResponse in my next videos. And I personally use dedicated mail server. Those who know how to host a website and how to host a domain, please choose dedicated mail server. Then your list category, any of the three, or all three is also. And how often? Daily, often. And your phone number, your Skype details, and your landing page. Most of you, I think, know what is a landing page is. But if you do not know what is a landing page is and how to create a landing page without any money or free, please watch my next video. My next video in the description, there is a link. Please follow the link and watch my next video, and I will show you how to make a landing page. And from that you will have a URL from that landing page, and you will put that URL here and submit for approval. Now just after you submitted your list for approval, if they do not respond you within 24 hours, you will shoot them an email. What you have to do is first go to this help section, then shoot them an email. You will write them that you have submitted your subscriber list, but that is not approved yet. What is the problem? And they will respond. and for some quick response purpose, you can call them with this number. Make sure you have called them Monday to Friday 9 to 5 EST. And if you do not know how to call international number, then TextNow. Go to textnow.com. It's a pretty cool service. Actually, TextNow give you a international, means USA number, and with some credit you can call from TextNow. And only after approval, I say only after approval, you will see you have some offer section. See, I have two offer section, as I have two lists, one marketing and one politics list, and my subscribers are like 21,000. You can have your own subscribers as per your need. When you click on this offer section, you will see there are 6 and there is 2 offer are going on. Please, and you can also see that every offer have their own PPC. Like this offer have 42, this offer 30, this is 47, so on and so forth. And these offers are targeting some countries also. These are United States, these are English speaking, this is Canada, and so on and so forth. So you can see that these offers are mainly target based. Okay, so your list must be targeting to this country, United States. Please, when you buy any list from market or do anything, please make sure you will select United States. Let's go to promote section. If I want to promote this offer, those of you who know how to send a email, this is a pretty straightforward game. But those of you do not know how to send emails, this will be your subject, and this will be your body, and this will be your URL. Means if some person in your list clicks on this URL in your email, then you will get $0.42. So just imagine if 100 people in your list click on your offer, means what offer you are promoting, you will getting $42 per day. Let's show you my earnings. These are my earnings section. See, in December I have earned $163, total earning $284. Earnings, they will send you earnings after 15 days, and only if you have reached 50 and more in earning, and they will send you the earnings in PayPal. You have to fill up these forms, your PayPal emails, and your IRS W9 tax form also. So that's it. That's how things working here.
Hey, I hope you like the video and it will help you make some money. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you are not a subscriber to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. There is a red button. Please subscribe to my channel, and please quick start tweet at Click Media. Link in the description. Follow the link. That's it for Viral Bots. Today I am signing off. See you in my next video.